We finally got the static pressure probe established. There's a very difficult clearance right here. It's very tight, hard to get. We have to use a stem in order to tighten it down. Right now we have 0 inches of water column for the gas because it's in off position. Right now on the cold side it's 101 degrees, and then on the hot side it's 127. It's been hitting 150 when calling for heat, so I'm going to open this up. And now we're going to record the gas pressure that ensues. So what we're going to do is go back here, put this back in place, let it fall in place. Let's see if it lets me fall in place. There we go. So now we're going to put it on pilot off. We have to reset to the off position because we've been without the a constant pilot. There's no status light, so putting it in off. Now we're going to put it on the pilot, press in, sparker, 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 sparker. I'm going to chip down here, turn off the light. See, you should see like light once it gets established. There. See that? Let it establish itself. Now I'm going to turn it to the hot. I'm going to see that. I'm going to increase it up so it calls for heat. There we go. So we have 3 inches of water column. I'm going to put this back down to hot. Here's my cold and here's my hot. As that's going, I'm going to go ahead and open up the hot side. Since it was already hot, the vessel is very easy to satisfy. See how hot it's getting? And the cold side is now plummeting in temperature since I've had an outlet for that heat. See, 160, super hot. And right now it's not even calling for heat yet, but it's at 162. It's like the sensing mechanism in that gas valve. It's a little bit off. So now I'll go ahead and turn it off. Watch it migrate out. So there's nowhere for the heat to go to since none of the outlets are calling for hot water, so it's going to travel up the cold line. Now here, that gas valve has a sensing mechanism inside that tank. It's conceivably the case that it's not sensing correctly and thereby allowing it to run away in terms of the heat generated, since in theory it should be able to know that it's already at a high temperature, hence the low bag, since this thing must be opening at a certain point. If we got 160 inside that vessel, and that's based on the hot side of the copper, imagine inside it must be even more hot in terms of temperature. So what we need to do is follow up with A.O. Smith in regards to this gas valve and understand why it's running away. When it's calling for active burner operation, we're recording about 3 inches of water column. So there's no issue there. It's more so the sensing mechanism. So I'm going to look right here. This assembly goes inside there and is sensing the temperature inside of the vessel itself. So we'll follow up with them later today. Put this back in. I'll go ahead and close this off and remove my probe, this probe here. This one's a hard one to get off.